In this video, let us now try to learn about HTML attributes, and to understand the same, let us now go through one use case. Now in the ordered list, instead of numbers like 1, 2, 3, you want a different set of ordered list. Let us say you want it in Roman numbers like this kind of a system, or you want an alphabetical ordering. Now how exactly we are going to make use of that? So for that we have HTML attributes. Now attributes are going to provide us some additional information about the elements. So let us say instead of directly numbering it as a 1, 2 or 3, I want to number it in alphabetical system. I want to order it in alphabetical system. So it will always be specified in the starting tag itself, and attributes are usually going to come in a name value pair. Like let us say I want to give name equals to value kind of an attribute to a tag. So how exactly we are going to make use of it? Let us try to understand that with the help of this example. We have an HTML tag. Now this is the opening tag, right? To which I am giving a lang attribute. Now this lang attribute stands for language. So this is the name of the attribute and this is the value of the attribute, right? So we can provide some additional information to the elements which are known as attributes. So if we see for this ordered list, when we were trying to print it, it was coming as 1 coffee, 2 tea, and then 3 milk. If I don't want a numbering system and instead I want some other kind of a system, I can say something like this. I can pass type equals to capital I. Now this will change it to the Roman numbering system. Let us try to see the same on Code Sandbox. So let us visit Code Sandbox and try to implement something similar. So over here, if I now try to create an ordered list with the help of OL tag, I can be giving a type attribute to it, and let me give it a capital I. Now if I try to list down some items over here with the help of li tags, let us see what is going to be the output this time. Let's say coffee, let's say milk, let's say juice. If I now try to print it, you can see it's a Roman numbering system this time. Similarly, I could have changed this to a capital A. Now this is going to do it in an alphabetical order now. So you can simply specify the type attribute to the OL tag so that accordingly the numbering or the ordering can be done. So this is how attributes can be used in general.